so and the rally is finished, so is good. So yeah, we'll see how the rest of the guys go the rest of this stage, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But happy to get to the finish line. It's been some good practice, and yeah, the guys are on pace, so it's difficult, but we enjoy. It's good.
How do you feeling this week?
Yeah, like it's been a consistent week. A few small mistakes along the way, but all in all, yeah, we're happy with the rally, and yeah, for sure the pace was really high this week. So, but no, it's good. We're really happy, really stoked.